Sound cannot travel through space, but that doesn't mean that objects in space don't make noise. The most powerful way to hear that attractive sounds is called sonification. Sonification is the process of converting data into sound, and a suitable method used to sonify data is to assign different frequencies and pitches to different types of electromagnetic waves, such as radio waves, X-rays, and gamma rays. As a result, we are able to hear the sounds of the planets, nebulae, galaxies, even swirling gas around black holes. Well, some incredible sounds from the universe are presented to you. The horrifying scream of the Helix Nebula. The eerie howl of a supermassive black hole. Next is the supernatural sounds of our Milky Way galaxy. And finally, the lovely sonification of our home.